नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, समय आ गया है 2024 को बाय बाय करने का और 2025 के स्वागत करने का। इट्स टाइम टू से बाय बाय टू 2024 एंड वेलकम 2025। प्रकृति का नियम है परिवर्तन। परिवर्तन तो होना ही है, रूल ऑफ नेचर। चेंज इज रूल ऑफ नेचर, सो इट इज इनएविटेबल। जाने वाला साल बहुत अच्छा था केमिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल के लिए। इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर केमिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल इन एनी ऑफ यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन. In civil services examination, we have 12 selection with top rank of 21 Kruraj Singh Solanki, 53 of Mohanlal, Ananya Rama in the first attempt, and Pooja Meena, only BSc chemistry honors from Miranda House. And in second attempt, she qualified. In IFOS examination, we have 8 selection within rank 100. Top rank is 16, Prachi Gupta. In the geochemist examination, Kartik Banerjee get 4th rank. So this year was very good for the chemistry optional in the UPSC exam. Now, जाते जाते भी at the end of year we get 32 selection in CSE Mains 2024, for which interview is going to start from 7th of January. And I think my well wishes to all students who are going to appear in interview, and at least half of a student will get selected in the final result. Now it's time to welcome the new year with a very happy new year to all of you. Year will change, but goal must not change. UPSC is our goal and it will remain. For those students who remain unfortunate in CSE 2024 mains, in 2025, continue their preparation. Optional must be done up to February because you are well practiced for the prelims. So March, April, May will be sufficient for prelims preparation. So at least up to February, ऑप्शनल के साथ तैयारी करिए, राइटिंग अप्रोच करते रहिए, नॉट मोर. डेली प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम 4, 5, 6, so that writing approach must be developed. 125 marks is not a problem in chemistry optional, but it is also not a solution. But to get the 160 marks, it is only matter of writing approach. So, and for the writing approach is development is a continuous process. प्रैक्टिस मेक ए मैन परफेक्ट, इट्स माई पॉपुलर फ्रेज। बस केमिस्ट्री में यही है, प्रैक्टिस जितना करिए। फॉर न्यू स्टूडेंट who never appear in mains, prelims is fight for them. After January, left the option, full-time prelims. Because after prelims, we have at least 70 days. We can increase the time of study. But if you fail in prelims, then 1 year, so first timer or second timer, or those students who never qualified in prelims, prelims is main objective. Main goal must remain that to qualify the prelims examination. Now, for geochemistry student, it's high time for men for prelims preparation. 9th February को है. Do as much as MCQ. Join any test series for disciplined preparation and management of time. Our academic calendar will be released soon. So, my message to a student of chemistry optional, either going for CSE, IFOS, or geochemistry examination, must stick to your goal in 2025. Also, for success, do hard work, smart work. More important, be honest to your goal. अपने गोल के साथ हमेशा ईमानदार रहिए। ये नहीं कि आप गोल बना लिए यूपीएससी और उसके लिए टाइम दे नहीं रहे। That is the checking with yourself only, which generate frustration. So be honest to your goal. That must be resolution of every new year, not only 2025, every new year. हमसे कोई भी पूछता है न्यू ईयर का रेजोल्यूशन क्या होना चाहिए, बी ऑनेस्ट टू योर गोल. One and only one resolution. With this word, again a very, very happy new year. Welcome 2025. With high ambition and continuation of your goal with honesty. Thank you and all the best.